exercise 174. Okay, be ready, start. Dear sirs, in reply to yours of the 11th instant, we regret to state that under the circumstances, we cannot accept the mere apology on the part of your client. This conduct of your client has been a source of annoyance for a considerable time, and in spite of our request that such conduct should cease, and notwithstanding the fact that legal proceedings have been threatened, the statement of which we complain have continued. From first to last, we have been face to face with inconvenience in consequence of your client's attitude. Under the circumstances and having regard to what has happened, an apology is out of the question. On the contrary, we shall be compelled to seek redress in the law courts in respect of your client's statements, and shall instruct our solicitors to take action forthwith unless your client is prepared to pay the amount of damages claimed. Yours truly. Is 174. In reply to yours. In reply to yours. We regret to state. We regret to state. We regret to state. We cannot accept the. We cannot accept the. On the part of. On the part of your client. Of your client. Of your client had, and in spite of, and in spite of which we, on the contrary, law courts